For assignment 2, there are a number of learning objects that are really quite important. One is the difference between the keyword, which you're very familiar with regard to searching Google or anything else, and the subject heading, which is something more devoted to academic databases of various kinds. And the subject heading is really essentially different from the keyword. There's lots of information that you'll be looking at as you prepare for this assignment to enable you to understand it. But I'd like to walk you through a little bit of the process using Library OneSearch so that you can see how a subject heading could be applied and how it could benefit you. So we're going to go to the library homepage, and we're looking at the research question among the various atonement theories, which is the most likely to be accurate as a theory for explaining the atonement. And so I'm going atonement theory. I put an asterisk here, which means that I'll cover theory and theories in one search. So here's my result list, and you'll see that there's 459 results, which is quite a lot. The first part of your assignment will be for each of the two topics that you will do a keyword search like this atonement theory, and then you will look down through the results and you will select a number of them as the results that you will be using. Now remember that this isn't only part of this search on atonement. You'll be also doing a subject heading search, but I'll show you the first part. And this first one here, A Narnian Vision of the Atonement, The Defense of the Ransom Theory. So that might be one book that deals with a particular theory in relation to others. If you want the full text, this is an ebook. You can click on the ebook, EPUB full text, and find it there. You can't download the entire book because it's a book and publishers don't allow that, but you can download portions of it or read it online. If you want to create a citation to this, you can either save it along with others, or you can just simply click on the title. And then off on the right, you will see a Cite button. And in the case of this course, what you want is down further, Chicago edition, 17th edition notes and bibliography, which is the same as Turabian. And so what you need to do is capture this part of the citation, forget the URL, but capture this part of the citation, copy and paste it, and then you will have a proper citation for this. I'm going to go back. You can go on the way down through here and see if you can find others. What did the cross accomplish? Conversation about atonement. Approaching the atonement. So you'll see a number of them here. So the atonement, study of the cross of Christ, and so on and so forth. Some of these just say full text finder, which may mean that we actually have the full text of the book. This is an ebook, and we might not. It's not entirely sure. You'll find, though, with 459 results, that it's really a lot to plow through, and a number of these things, Shelley with Benjamin, what does that have to do with the biblical atonement? But there it is. And so there are limiters on the side that can enable you to cut those results down and get them more focused. You can limit to print books or ebooks if you want, but I want to look down here at limit by subject. A subject heading is what the book is actually about, as opposed to what it might have in, a chapter title lore or the title of the book. So I'm going to click on atonement, which cuts the numbers down dramatically, but you're going to see a really interesting result. There's now 43 results, but look at this. They all seem to be relevant. This one here, child murder and atonement, perhaps not. Atonement, a guide for the perplexed, yes. And so on and so forth. Brethren view of the atonement, death of the Messiah, new model of the atonement, and so on. Triune atonement. And what you're really doing here is capturing some of the best results. Once again, you click on the title and create a citation, but that simple use of a subject heading has enabled you to take all of the mess of the 459 results and focus it down to a few results that are actually about the atonement. They may not necessarily have the word atonement in their title, but there will be material on the atonement within them.